This is the most powerful feature in Friender. Automation lets you build a sequence once, and it runs on every contact automatically. Messages, tags, delays, and branching logic, all on autopilot. Let me walk you through it. Open automation. Every sequence you have built lives here with its status, how many contacts it has added, and where each one is in the flow. To build a new one, click Create Automation. Every automation starts with a trigger, the event that kicks it off. You can start on a label change, a tag added or removed, link activity, a campaign, or a contact update. Pick what fits. Then you add actions. This is the toolbox, and it is deep. Send a message, add or remove a tag, change a label, drop them into a campaign, unfriend them, engage on one of their posts, add a delay, or split the path with a filter based on what they have done. Stack those together, and you get a visual flow like this. A message goes out, you wait 8 hours, a tag is applied, the path splits, and another message follows days later. There is no limit on how deep it goes, so a full multi-day drip is just a longer chain. You also set a stop trigger, the condition that pulls someone out early, like replying or buying. And at any time, you can view all the contacts moving through the automation and see exactly which step each one is on. That is automation. Build it once, and it nurtures every contact for you around the clock. To try it free, head over to start.friender.io.